Hello all, welcome to New Life Overseas channel. This is Navneeta here to help you in advancing your medical career abroad. If you are an Indian medical graduate and looking to pursue your postgraduate in abroad, then Germany is a life-changing opportunity. Germany offers a world-class education, minimal tuition fees, financial independency in a good stipend amount, work-life balance, and lots more. Opportunity comes with challenges. Learning German is one of the most key factors for you to reach to Germany because it is very important for you to communicate with the patients and your colleagues in German language. We simplify the entire process by helping you to learn the German language until you complete your post-graduation in Germany. The application process, the visa process can be sometimes a time-taking process. This is where New Life Overseas steps in. Not only we help you with the visa process or the learning the German language, we help you ensuring getting accommodation and making you reach to Germany safely. If you really want to kickstart your journey and become a globally recognized doctor, please contact New Life Overseas today. Forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more career opportunities information. Do come back to us for the next video. That is going to be only for the foreign medical graduates. See you.